In activity 3, we're going to do two things. We're going to add some clip art and we're going to add shapes. So let's give it a try. The first thing we're going to do is go to our blank slide here and we're going to insert some clip art. So you click on the insert. Now in this particular case we're going to go to online pictures, and obviously you have to be online for this. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to find a space shuttle. So I'm just going to type Space Shuttle in this search box. And I'm going to use this one right here. I'll just double click on this figure right here. You may have to hunt for a while, but I'm just going to pick this. And I'm going to resize this. Okay, make it a little bit bigger there. Okay, so that was pretty simple. That's adding some clip art. I'm also going to add a shape. And the way I do that is go back to the insert. And in this particular case, you got a lot of different shapes. So I would advise you to take a look at these. But I'm going to add this rounded rectangle right here. I'm going to put that right here. And one of the things that you can do is once you put it on the screen, you can resize it just like I did there. Okay. You can also start typing. So I'm going to put in here Space Shuttle Launch. Okay. And I'm going to make this, I could make this text smaller if I click on the home button or home tab. I can make this bigger or smaller. So one of the things I do want to do is I want to change the color of this box, and the way I want to do that is once I've selected the box I can click on the format, and there's a bunch of shape styles over here, and we'll just make it green. So now there you have it, except one of the added features here, we might give this a little bit of pizzazz, if you will. I'm going to animate this space shuttle here. And the way I'm going to do that is through the Animations tab. And what I'd like to do is I'd like the space shuttle to fly across the screen. And one of the things that I can use to do that is I'm going to go to the More Entrance Effects tab here. And I'm going to scroll down here to this Credits. And in this particular case, notice you can see the space shuttle flying across the screen. There are other ways to do this that you'll see in one of the later videos. So I'm going to click OK. One of the things you can do also is you can set it up to do this automatically when the screen comes up. So let's just do that. I'm going to tell it to start it with previous. It took a little bit of time to get across the screen. Let's make this about 8 seconds. And what that will do is it will fly across the screen in about 8 seconds. So let's just adjust this down to 8. And the delay is basically it tells it how long to wait before it starts the animation. We're going to leave that set at 0. So with that, we should be in pretty good shape. Let's give it a try. And we're going to do that. I'm going to click down here on the slideshow icon. And it should take about 8 seconds for that to move across the screen. So there you have it. You could add some sound effects to this and so on. So there you have it. Give it a try.